Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add custom video to Kajabi landing pages. This is a fantastic way to showcase product demos, testimonials, or any custom content that makes your landing page more engaging and helps convert visitors into customers. First, open your web browser and head over to kajabi.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your account by clicking the login button and entering your credentials. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click Get Started to create one and follow the setup process. After you've logged in, look over to the left navigation panel where you'll find all your main options. Click on Websites and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Landing Page and click on it. This takes you to the area where all your landing pages are managed. You'll now see a list of all the landing pages currently in your Kajabi account. Browse through and select the specific landing page where you want to add your custom video. Once you click on it, you'll be directed straight into the landing page editor, which is where all the customization happens. Now look at the left side menu in the editor and click Add Section. This opens up a panel where you can choose different elements to add to your page. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Type in Video Embed and the Video Embed object will appear in the results. Click on it, and then on the right side of the screen, you'll see an Add button. Click that button and the Video Embed object will be added directly to your landing page. Here's where you customize the video. Click on the newly added object, and from the left side menu, you'll see a field labeled Embed Code. This is where you'll paste the embed code for the video you want to display. Whether it's from YouTube, Vimeo, or any custom video hosting platform, just paste that code into the window. Once you've done that, click Save in the top right corner of your screen and your custom video is now live on your landing page. And that's it. Your custom video is embedded and ready to engage your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.